Hey everyone, welcome to my video. I see a post where a guy just talked about the Gohighlevel's bug, and as a Gohighlevel expert with 2 years and 3 years hardcore using of Gohighlevel, this is my responsibilities to show are we facing the same issues like him or not, or is that his issues or our issues or system issues, because we should help each others by knowing and sharing the information. I'm not blaming this guy, he's doing the great. If he doesn't share, we will not able to check that part too. So thank you for subscribing, following, and sharing my videos if you're doing. And let's get started with the builders. Do I really face this kind of issues or not? He already asked me. Another guy just already asked me, do I get H2 on buttons? So we're gonna verify these two issues, are we really getting or not. So most probably it's not his fault. It's a way who is building the way of what. Okay, so this is my builders, Gohighlevel builders, where I build my websites. And if you go over here, you go with the inspects, and let's select this one. And do I see any H1 or H2? I don't think so. I see anything in there. It's maybe you place in the wrong way, or something happened wrong, or you might be used by ChatGPT coding and then pasted over there. It can be happen many ways. So if you don't have this kind of issues, it's fine. If you have the issues like H2 in your buttons, still it's fine, because as a SEO expert with 8 years experience, if you are having a H2, then no problem. If you have H1, multi H1 in your page, that it's a problem. So if you are having a H2 over here, H3 over here, that's also helping you to get CTR. Okay, so that's not a big deal. I mean, that's not harming anything to you. But H1 is really issues. Okay, so it looks like this. Even this was inbuilt in funnels. This is built on the website. So if you go over here, same. If I go into my blog site, which is built under the websites sections of Gohighlevel's, if I do the view page and type H1, there is only H1. If there was a multi H2 H1, there could be show 2 end of H1 headings. Okay, so there's nothing like this. This is another website that we built, where I'm a chief operating officer in this company, and I'm actively looking for another jobs, like 3-4 jobs I can handle because of AI technology. Thanks a lot, the technologies. And you can see this is the builders, and it looks like this. So inside the builders, if you try to check, since it's a dynamic AI integrated and apps, I recommend you to, after publishing, check several times. And when you check and place anything, when you check that button is getting, just in case if you are getting something like issues, for example this one, oops, sorry, let's go back. For example, this one, it's have no headings. So if you're having this kind of issues, means you are placing something in a wrong way. Okay, so that's the main thing you need to worry about. And when you build, you should make sure you're checking everything before you deliver to your client. And that's it. Have a great day and stay safe.